Hey there! Today we're going to look at how to play Minecraft LAN with friends. So let's get started. First, ensure you and your friend are connected to the same network. Open Minecraft, go to single player, and either select an existing world or create a new one. Once inside the world, press escape, click Open to LAN, then select Start LAN World. A port number will appear in the bottom left corner. Note it down. Now go to your friend's computer. Open Minecraft, go to multiplayer, and the LAN world should be visible. Select it and click Join Server. If it does not appear, return to your computer, press the Windows key plus R, type CMD, and press Enter. In the command prompt, type epiconfig and find your IPv4 address. Note it down. Go back to your friend's computer, open multiplayer, click Direct Connection, and enter the IP address followed by a colon and the port number. Then press Join Server. Now you both should be connected and able to play together without issues. And that wraps it up. Appreciate you watching. See you in the next one.